In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Hostinger login email in just a few easy steps. This is useful if you want to switch to a new email address, keep your account information up to date, or make sure you always have access to the email linked to your Hostinger account. I'll walk you through the whole process clearly, so even if you've never changed account details before, you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account using your current login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account settings and login information. After that, you'll see several account options. Go to account information because that's the section where your email address is stored and managed. When the account information page opens, find the email field and click on it. This will let you edit the login email tied to your Hostinger account. Now carefully type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes because this email will be important for logging in and receiving account notifications. Once you enter the new email, Hostinger will usually ask you to verify it. Follow the verification step, which may involve checking your inbox and confirming the change through a link or code. After the new email is verified, click Save to apply the update. That's the final step. And once it's saved, your Hostinger login email will be changed successfully. It's always a good idea to double check that you can access the new email account, just so you don't run into issues later when you need password resets or security notifications. And that's it. You now know how to change your Hostinger login email quickly and easily. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.